Hey guys, Mega Brick here, and I'm gonna show you how to make a safe with the puzzle box. Okay? So first you need to do this. This 2x1 tile and 1x1 tile. Like that. And this grill at the side and one here. And just fill that up like that. I'm gonna wait. Next up, if you have this now, you need a plate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 6 plate. I'm gonna wait for you to get that and do this. And put a 6 by 1 plate, 6 by 1 brick. Now, next up is do one of these. 1 by 1 at the top, 2. And 1 by 2 by 1 at the stick it like that. And next up, put it right like that. And get one of these 2 by 1, put it at the top like that. So next up, we're almost done. This is super easy. Make these 1 by 1 at the top, 1 by 1, and at the here is a 2 by 1. So, and 1 by 1 at the here. Okay, I'm waiting for you to do it. Next is put it right here at this. So, you need to do this. So, this is 1 grill and 1 tile. And one of these 6 by 1 plate. Now, put the grill like that and put this like this. Like that. So, it will shoot like this. So, how to make wall 1? This is, we're almost making wall 2. So, let's make wall 1 at the back. So, you need 4 by 1, 4 by 1, 2 4 by 1, stick it, and put 2 by 1 brick, 2 by 1 brick, at like that. 2 by 1 brick, 2 by 1 brick, like that. And get a slide like this. Sliding. You can, as you can see, mine is not the sliding that one piece. You can make that. You need 4 of those and put it right like that. Now, as you can see, put it right here at the back. So I'm gonna wait to all. If you don't like to do this, please leave, and yeah, like that. So I'm gonna wait for you to do this all. If you're not done yet, I'm gonna put it like that. And next up is get a 1 by 1 brick. Put it right next to here. And next up, get one of these 2 by 1 plate. 2 stack up, 3 stack up. Put it right like this, like that. And you need this. You need this. So it can be a keychain and one of these. Put it like that. And put it right like here. Like that. So next up is get one of these. Only 2. Put it right like that. And get 2 of the 2 of these. Put it at the top like that. Oh, wait. I'm wrong. So, you have that now. Put it right like that. Here, like that. Now you'll have that. Now you're almost done. So now for the where you put the coins in. But you're gonna slide it like that. Okay? Like that. So get 4x4 plate and get 2x1. Put it right like that. And next, you need to get a stud and a 1x1 stud. You need 2 studs. So next up is get like this. Get one of this plate. I'm gonna tear it apart so you can see. Oopsies. So get one of these. Oh, get one of these. This is a 4x1 plate. Put it right like that. And get one of these with a hole. Put it right like that. Like this. Now next, put this like that. And next up, get another one like that. Now it will look like that. So I'm gonna wait. So next, one stud at this and one of these. I don't know what that is called, but I'm saying it right now. It's hard to say, okay? So next is put one of these at the top, and you're almost done. And get one of these 4x1 brick. Put and get a 4x1 tile at the top. So there we go. And get one of these, the stud that you just made, and put it at the door. Now, as you can see, you put it like that. And this, you're gonna put it like that. So, you can shake it off. See? You can shake it off whenever you do. Put it like that and nothing. Because it's doing that. So, that's the what you made. And next up is this. Put one stud, two stack of 1x1 brick. Now like that. And get one of these. Stack it like that. 2 of that. Stack it like that. Now you're almost done. Get same one like this. This is a 6x1 brick. So as you can see, I'm gonna put it right like that. 2 at the top. We're done. Now get a 6x6 plate. Put it at the top. There you go. Now we're done. How to do it? Just play it. Put some coins in. Now nothing will come out there. Now you can't shake it like that or do that. Here's a puzzle. Wait. Now do that. And do like that. Now you get your prize. I'm gonna take it out. And this to put it in. It's fun to play and it's a safe. They will not know because if there's a thief, they will not know your money is in here. They will not. They will say it's a toy. You don't need. No one put some coins in it. So yeah, like that. A thief will never use this as a safe because it's Lego. They will not know. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Mega Brick. Bye.